Hello guys, Softoni here, and today I'll show you how to create a viral transitions here in Premiere Pro that grab attention and boost your views. Super quick, super easy, and hit that like and subscribe button and let's jump right in. Alright guys, here we are in Premiere Pro 2025, and as you can see I have already created this final sequence. This is gonna be full transition. You can also do it just by clicking on the file and go new, and also you can hit here Ctrl+N to create new sequence. Okay, as you can see also I have added this media 01 and this is gonna be media 02. This is free footage from pexels.com. Okay, and now it's time to create this beautiful transition. Go here inside the effects, open up video transitions, and also open up this film impact animation folder and find here fold motion impact. Just drag and drop here on the first clip like so, and as you can see we immediately have this great looking fold animation. Now we will select this fold motion impact transition, open up this effects control, and here basically we can change everything. Okay, and as you can see we have curves. You can play around here with bounces, initial velocity, elasticity, and everything else. What I like to do is to change this type from bounce maybe to Bezier, and also you can change here ease in and ease out. Okay, I will do 50 for the both values. Okay, and you can also play around here with overshoot, anticipate, and everything else. And now let's hit space in our timeline. We will have an animation like this one. You can also change here angle, maybe to do 100. Let's hit space again, and we will have this completely different cool looking animation. You can also here check or uncheck this enable motion blur option. It's up to you to play around with. And you can also check this option, reverse angle. Let's try this one, check it. And now when we hit space, you will see that our animation will be from this left side to the right side. And when you uncheck this option, it's gonna be opposite, from the right to the left. Let's also for the overshoot change to maybe 100. Okay, and now we will have this bouncy effect here inside this sequence. Alright guys, that was cool and easy tutorial here inside the Premiere Pro. You can basically change here everything, play around with the curves and everything else. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial gave you some inspiration for your own motion design project. And also if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unique Premiere Pro and After Effects tutorial just like this one. And also new videos are coming every week, so stay tuned, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye!